Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wafu Pasta using microwave. It's Meal for One series today, and today's menu is Wafu Pasta or Japanized Spaghetti using microwave. If you're Italian, you may not like this, so please look away or move on to the next video. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Wafu Pasta, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 100 grams of spaghetti, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, mirin and butter, half teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, canned tuna. It's about 70 grams, and I'm using the one in oil, but you can use the one in brine. Onion, I'm using half of this. Some shimeji mushroom, you can pass it if you don't have it. And these are optional, but some green onion and nori strips if you like as a topping. I'm doing all the cutting first, so green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut it into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And let's make thin slices. And as I said, this is a topping, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Shimeji mushroom. Let's just cut the bottom off and break into little pieces. And onion. I'm using half of this. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. And make thin slices. Let's break the spaghetti into half and put it in the Ziploc container. All the vegetables. Canned tuna. Oil or brine and everything. Hondashi, soy sauce, mirin, and 1 cup of water. Put the lid on, don't seal it tight, just put it on like this. And you're going to microwave this 4 minutes longer than the instruction on the package of your spaghetti. Mine said 8 minutes. So I'm going to microwave this for 12 minutes. 6 minutes first, take it out and mix, and another 6 minutes, all at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and another 6 minutes. Try some spaghetti here, and if it's still hard, do another minute. Add butter. Mix to melt it. serve on the plate. Sliced green onion, nori strips, and Wafu Pasta for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Soy sauce and butter. They are like best friends. They go so well together. I hope everyone, including Italian people, try this. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Wafu pasta is noodles, but it's carb, so let's put it here. It's super easy meal for one, so let's keep the whole meal nice and easy. Protein and vegetables are covered in this wafu pasta, so nothing here and here. Some sort of pickles here to refresh your palate. And let's have instant miso soup here. Miso soup is super Japanesey, but the pasta is Japanized, so why not? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.